of the United States Supreme Court, someone leaked an opinion draft for a case that came out of Mississippi that will essentially overturn Roe versus Wade, which has protected abortion rights in the United States for over 50 years. It's the first time in U.S. history that the Supreme Court has actually taken away a right. So, a lot of people in need of abortion care are very afraid, and a lot of people are talking about what this means for all of the rest of the privacy protections that protect a whole other host of privacy rights that we enjoy as a result of that genesis of case law.
I know it was important to me when I was 18, 19, 20, and it's important to me now. So we will stand, and thank you all of you for coming out on this important day. We will continue to move forward with the objective and necessity of choice for all Americans to have the same rights that we enjoy here in Nevada. Thank you.
Nevada, fortunately, in the early 90s, Nevada overwhelmingly voted to affirm our abortion statute. We used a process where you affirm that statute, and so in order to change it, it has to go to the voters. The legislature is not able to unilaterally make any changes to abortion. So we do have the protected right to choose in this state. It's always fragile. Look at what we're seeing all across the country. We have to continue to fight for that right. But of course, that's not where it ends. We still have trouble with people accessing abortion care in the state of Nevada. There is nowhere in rural Nevada to receive an abortion, whether it's medication abortion or procedural abortion care.
And we are all pissed off because we already fought this fight. I also would like us to make sure that we can mobilize like this for every single thing, because this is not the end.
No, it's not.
And nor is it the beginning of our rights being taken away.
The right wing in this country has carved away at bodily autonomy every day since Roe v. Wade was passed.
So, there will be an influx of people coming to the state of Nevada for care. We can count on that. There's a lot of anxiety from our neighbors in Idaho, our neighbors in Utah, about what this means for people, and the state of Nevada needs to prepare for that.
States like Texas have already given their indication that they will fight to overturn same-sex marriage, that they will seek to use the law to punish trans people for existing.
My choice, my body, my choice, my body, my choice.
If we think back on other Supreme Court decisions, those are things like interracial marriage, some really serious progress that we've made as a country. So this is not just an attack on women. This is a religious group of white supremacists that want to make decisions about other people whom they deem inferior. Yes, all of those things. Segregating schools, what your children are allowed to learn in school. All of these things, we're seeing it with voting rights, we're seeing it with security, with privacy. A lot of our rights are under attack, and it's really important that we engage in things like local elections, and we really pay attention right now.